Good afternoon, my name is Dan Thompson and welcome to MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 21 SPX by Sea Ray. This great boat has unbelievable capacity. It can hold up to 11 people. Some of the great features of the boat and the SPX lineup in general is a much larger bow for two reasons. One, they've done away with the anchor locker, which allows us to elongate the seating, and they run the beam further forward, which gives you a little bit more width. As we move back, another great feature this boat has is the digital dash. So in lieu of your regular gauges, you have a nice clean screen with a black acrylic face, and that gives you all your engine data, your boat data, speed, and GPS, and your chart plotter and depth. This boat also has the second helm seat option, so in lieu of the bench, if you didn't want the separate seat. You also have a built-in cooler here, storage for a regular igloo there, and a great general layout with everyone has room to sit comfortably. As we move forward, one of the great features about this boat is you can either get a stern drive and have an inboard outboard or the Outboard series. If you choose to go with the Outboard, they don't change the overall hull of the boat, which where there'd normally be a V6, you have beautiful finished storage. So you have a tremendous amount of storage in a 21-foot boat with the Outboard version. 21 also gets a small little seat back that flips up, so if you're doing water skiing or just sitting out in the sun, you have a couple different options as far as seating. As we move back, another great feature of the 21 is the fact that you can upgrade to the 200 horsepower Verado outboard. Two of the great features allows you to have the digital throttle and shift and the power assist hydraulic, so it makes it really easy to steer around the dock. These features combine to make a great all-around boat, for either the ocean or for the lakes. So if you have questions about this boat or any boat in our inventory, feel free to get in. My name is Dan Thompson. Give me a call. My cell is 978-375-1584. Have a great afternoon.